Ahead of Women's Day next week, we are kicking off a special segment today called Women in Tech. And the entrepreneur that we are featuring on the show today is Ashwini Ashokan. She's the co-founder of an exciting startup in Chennai. It's called Mastery Den. Does a lot of work in the area of artificial intelligence. We speak to her about the challenges in running the startup and the business opportunities that she sees going ahead.
So Mastery Den is a computer vision based AI startup. So it's not just an artificial intelligence startup. It's anything AI, anything to do with camera based input. Okay, so images, videos, right, and understanding what's going on, right? So it's like teaching machines to see like how we humans do. So we basically come up with a variety of features, whether it's recommendation engines or allowing customers to take a picture of something they see and find it online, or personalization, like I said, right? Or cross-product recommendation. I'm looking at a top, show me other pants and skirts that go with that top, right? That's what we're doing in the online world, right? Really understanding fashion visually.
Just to understand, it's mostly focused on the retail space for now.
Right now, it's our first vertical. We have a complete AI platform, computer vision platform that we've built. But consider View.ai as the first business that we're launching out of our platform.
Right. And, would this be mostly for Indian clients? Are you also getting a lot of interest from MNCs? What's the scene?
Absolutely. We're global already. We're in Asia, we're launching in the Middle East, Europe and the US. We're very heavily in India, of course. We're live with Craftsvilla, we're live with Vunic, Yapme, we're pretty much across the board. As a field, computer vision has died several times in the last 2 decades. AI has died over 4 decades, right? Because a lot of this is being built in the form of technology, and they get acquired. So there have been a lot of predecessors to Mastery Den, but building one thing, right? So there were companies like Snaptel, which got acquired by Amazon, Like.com got acquired by Google in 2007, 2008. So during the crash at that point, there was a lot of acquisitions in the computer vision space, and nobody across the globe has successfully built a computer vision-based AI company that has lasted from a business standpoint, right? So it's not just the technology. And Mastery Den's one of our mantras is bringing AI into everyday life. The underlying premise was that technology has been around for a very long time, and our strength is absolutely technology. We've got some super geek heads like, people like, there are merely like 200, 300 people like them across the world, actually, if you look at, Anand and Costa's background. But our motto at the end of the day is to say it's great for technology to keep pushing. But you've got to find a way to make it happen in a very meaningful way for people.
And what would your goals be over the next 12 months? I know you've already sort of started making an imprint in retail, but beyond that, what would your goals be?
We really want to establish ourselves in retail. That's going to be our biggest goal for the next 12 months. But we're actively working on our second vertical as well.
Which one?
We're working pretty heavily with robotics. Retail for us has really worked out. I think retail is officially out of experimenting mode. We're in product market on scale. We're looking at, achieving about 1 billion API calls and page views by the end of the year.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.